Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum. For reference, this one here, it's 215 0408, okay, and this one 230 1108. This one from CL, this one from w220. I removed this two chip, two IC MCU I put here. The original key working with this one, but the problem, this processor, it will work just if heated up. So the processor is damaged. This one, it's totally different as a board and the coil here. That one is long, so it's past next. This one from 230 1708. It's totally different, and inside there is only one chip from other side, the board. What I did, I read already the chip, the original one, IC number 1 by hotel. I make erase, I remove the activated option, and I download the EEPROM here. After that, I make the original key, this original key for the car, from original lock. I enable the key and the key start working. Now I'm going to make activated. Already I activated now, yes, and the key number 4, it's used. This is the key number 4, okay. Yeah, again, no activation required. Okay, so I will show you now. It's working now. Should work direct on the car, because already the ECU is connected with the ignition switch also, to make synchronization. And thank you for watching. So someone wrote in Maho Auto that this one cannot be worked only with the same part number, okay. Actually no, it can be worked with any of another ignition switch if you have correct data inside and you do it correct. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Don't forget, share, subscribe. This is the moment of the truth now. I put the ECU back. It's working. The key, the remote, we'll see now. Yes, yes, there is no key on Tahoe. That's good sign. Car start. Super job, it's done. Thank you for watching. So as I said in another video, this one, it's another series, okay. This 1708, inside it's totally different from the original one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe.